SERV Stock Analysis. Next week and onward, am I buying or am I not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm observing SERV Robotics, and from what I'm seeing is 40% decrease in price is quite a bit. Now, before I get in this further, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors over the last 4 years, documented all of it on my YouTube channel, specifically looking at SERV Robotics. I have all these links above me, which is just all like just previous proof of break-evens and just longs, but current prediction that this was just the most recent break-even. You can see I'm very open for longs. Now, again, I'm using something that I've tested for 36,000 videos. A lot of preparation has come into this, right? So this is by no means financial advice, but I'd rather stick to something that I've tested and I've seen working for me. Specifically with SERV, unless the price shows me like a little pullback and then a double break, then I'm just now willing to like really buy. I mean, guess what? If it just goes up without me, or just does not give me the rules and does otherwise anything, I'm just not gonna buy, like, ultimately. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.